begin tonight in Otsego County. 100 people are without job after layoffs at Bassett Healthcare in Cooperstown. Today, Bassett officials confirmed the layoffs. They say in April 2024, they launched a 10-month project to address the challenges their organization is facing and, quote, develop solutions. They say there are no plans for further widespread position eliminations and say no beside direct caregiving positions were included. Officials also say the positions that were eliminated represent 2% of the workforce, which were mainly administrative roles. They add that extreme care has been taken to ensure patient care is not infected. A spokesperson said in part, quote, "These decisions are never easy and have not been made lightly. It is vital that we take these steps so Bassett Healthcare Network can continue to provide our patients and communities with the care they need and deserve," end quote. For more on what Bassett has to say, you can head to the article on our website, wbng.com.